Kling 3.0 just became the most powerful AI video generator in the entire world, and I'm not even exaggerating. Check this out. This thing generates 15-second videos with multiple angles and perfect character consistency. It's cinematic video that looks like it costs $100,000 to make. This is AI, all of it, generated from a single text prompt or a picture. This is the biggest leap in AI video that we've ever seen. And right now, there's nobody talking about how to make money with it. And in this video, I show you two powerful business models to start making money today with Kling 3.0. And really quick, I put together a free checklist with Kling 3.0 prompts that you can use to charge $2,000 to $6,000 per video. And these are the exact prompts for cinematic ads and book trailers that you can sell to local businesses. Click on the link in the description to get it now completely for free. The first idea is premium commercials for small luxury brands. Here's the reality. Traditional agencies charge $5,000 to $50,000. But with Kling 3.0, you can deliver similar quality for $1,500 to $3,000 per project. They get 90% of the quality for 10% of the price. 3 to 5 multi-shot scenes, perfect product consistency, professional voiceover, 4K exports, music, and sound design, all from a single text prompt. And here are the best clients to sell these to: boutique hotels, high-end restaurants, luxury real estate, jewelry stores, car dealerships, fashion boutiques. To land clients, make 2 to 3 spec commercials for local businesses in your area and then send them an email that says something like this: "Hey, I made this for you guys. What do you think?" If they love it, then charge them and make it official and then send them the invoice. And then upsell them to monthly content for $3,000 per month. This is monthly recurring revenue. Your pricing structure should be $1,500 to $2,000 for a single video. Guys, professional videographers and cinematic, I can't even pronounce it. It's so complicated and expensive. These people charge $20,000 to $50,000 per commercial. This is not the 1990s anymore. It's 2026. Kling 3.0 can make professional quality commercials. And guess what? Businesses, 99.999% of businesses in the world do not know that this technology exists. Yes, they might know that AI video exists, but Kling 3.0 is changing the game completely. And those who take advantage of this technology are the ones who are going to make the most amount of money. The early adopters win every single time. Your cost is $92 per month with Kling 3.0 on Higgsfield. That is a 95% profit margin. What business in the world has a 95% profit margin? You can produce 15 to 20 videos per month. Here's a pro tip. Keep products and faces close to the camera. When you zoom out, when you have distance, the quality drops. But when you get tight shots, the quality improves, especially with products and faces. 10 commercials per month at $1,500 a piece is $15,000. Imagine if you only got 2 or 3 clients per month. That's life-changing money for most people. The second business model is book trailers and visualizations. Hear me out. The self-publishing book industry is absolutely exploding, and authors are desperate for content. Over 2 million books are self-published every single year, and authors spend $2,000 to $10,000 on marketing. Book trailers get 5 to 10 times more engagement than static posts do, but they all look cheap. You're selling cinematic book trailers with 3-tier packages. Tier 1 is $800 with 2 to 3 scenes and 1 consistent character. Tier 2 is $2,500 with multiple showcases and multiple consistent characters. And Tier 3 is $4,000 of a mini movie with the main character. You can find clients on Reddit, X, Facebook groups, Goodreads, and Book Talk. Your pitch is, I turn novels into cinematic trailers, and here's what I can do with your book. Send some examples matching their specific genre and book characters. I think the secret to this is specializing in one genre. Sci-fi and fantasy are the hottest right now. Here's a pro tip. Replace Kling audio with 11 Labs and don't do close-up shots of the lips. I think right now, it doesn't matter how good the AI video is. They still haven't dialed in the mouth movements just yet. 20 authors at $1,500 per month is $30,000. Imagine if you only get 2 or 3 authors to work with you. That's a lot of money per month. Okay, let's break it down step by step so that you can actually get the full grasp of what's going on here and the business model. Method number 1 is you're selling AI commercials to local luxury business. And here's what to charge: $1,000 to $2,000 per video. You can even go as high as $5,000, $6,000 per video, depending on the type of the business. Let me give you an example. So high-end restaurants do 20 to 50,000 per weekend. Luxury jewelry stores, these guys, I have a lot of friends who are jewelers. These guys clear $100,000 in a single day. Some of them. Now, I'm not saying all of them do, but luxury jewelry stores sell millions and millions of dollars per year. So if you're asking $6,000 for a single cinematic commercial, they have no problem paying that. Boutique clothing shops, it's probably going to be a little bit hard to sell them, but maybe you can ask something like $2,000 per video with boutique clothing shops or spa and cosmetic clinics. Step number 2, get access to Kling 3.0. Now, the best way to use Kling, in my opinion, is joining the Higgsfield platform. It used to be 20 to 50. I don't think that's the price. I think the price right now is $92 per month. But here's the thing. If you're paying $92 per month for Kling 3.0 on Higgsfield and you sell a video for $6,000, your profit margin is 95, 96%. No business in the world has that profit margin. Totally worth it, the $92. Step number 3, create 2 to 3 sample videos. Make them generic, no logos yet. Remember, guys, you don't want to make videos before you actually approach the business. That can get expensive. If you're going with restaurants or you're going with jewelry stores, make 2 or 3 videos that show examples of what you can do in a cinematic style for jewelry stores. And if they like your style, you can go ahead and customize it for them. Cinematic and visually stunning, of course. And this is your proof. Step number 4 is outreach, DM or email. I mean, you can even walk in the jewelry shop and show them what you have on your iPad or your phone. Send them an email. Say something like this. Hey, I create cinematic videos for luxury brands. I help businesses upgrade their social media and ads with high-end visuals without expensive film crews. Remember, film crews are, God, just so expensive. $5,000 to $50,000 per video shoot. It's crazy. It's crazy. This is not the 1990s anymore. It's 2026. We are an entire video crew by ourselves. Step number 5, close the deal. Deliver in 48 to 72 hours. You can even deliver in 24 hours if you want. Price, $1,000, $2,000, go as high as $6,000. Whatever you want to charge them. But yeah, minimum $1,000. Upsell, you can do multiple versions or you can do monthly packages with monthly recurring revenue. Okay, method number 2, book trailers for authors. This is a huge industry. Here's what to charge. $800 to $2,000 per trailer. Traditional book trailers cost anywhere from $4,000 to $10,000. Again, this is an absolutely huge business. Step number 1, pick one author niche, guys. Again, one. Just like local business ads, stick with one specific niche. You can do romance novels, thriller mystery, sci-fi, self-help, fantasy. Choice is yours. Step number 2, again, get access to Kling. Pay the $92, guys. It's so worth it. If you can start a full-time AI business for $92 a month, that's your only overhead. That's a great deal and a great business to start. Step number 3, create 2 to 3 sample book trailers. Just like restaurant advertisements, jewelry store advertisements, cinematic ads for high-end luxury boutiques, you're going to pick popular books, make them cinematic and emotional, 30 to 60 seconds each. And again, these are your proof. How do you find authors? Well, there's so many different places that you can look, guys. There's Facebook groups, there's Etsy, Goodreads, Book Talk, Amazon KDP. All you need to do is outreach. DM, email. The more outreach, the more chance that people say yes. Say something like this. Hey, I create cinematic book trailers like this for authors. Traditional trailers cost $4,000 to $10,000. I deliver the same quality for a fraction of the price in 48 to 72 hours. And of course, attach a sample trailer. Step number 6, you close the deal. Deliver in 48 to 72 hours or sooner. This is going to be your price. You can even go as high as $4,000 to $5,000. Upsell multiple versions, social media clips, etc. This is why this business is so powerful. Number 1 is because if you're watching this video, it doesn't matter if this video is a year old, you are still new. So you have the first mover advantage, and all of the money, it doesn't matter if it's technology or crypto or stocks or whatever the case may be. The people who are first in the game make the most amount of money. You are at the bottom of the diffusion of innovation curve, which basically states this is where the early adopters are. This is where the people start adopting it. And this is where the late majority starts finding out about the product. You right now are right here. As a matter of fact, you're right here at the very, very tippy beginning of, I don't know, is that even a phrase? Tippy beginning. You're at the very beginning of the trend. The first mover advantage is super powerful. Kling 3.0, it's the best video generator, AI video generator in the world right now. And you can make cinematic ads and book trailers for a fraction of what traditional videographers charge. Secondly, guys, this is a numbers game. Here's what I mean. If you reach out to 100 businesses, let's say you send 100 cold emails to businesses, or you send 100 DMs, or if you even walk in the business and you talk to, let's say, 20 managers, if even 2 of them say yes, and you charge $2,000 for videos, that's $4,000. $4,000. And the videos that you would make them, they take maybe 1 to 2 hours to make. I mean, yes, you might have to polish it up, improve the sound a little bit, but it's not hard at all, guys. People to make $4,000, they have to work 3 weeks. And this is in the United States. And in Argentina, they have to work an entire year, but that's a different story. $4,000 for 2 hours of work, not bad at all. So it's a numbers game. It's a numbers game. The more people you reach out to, the more people have to say yes, guys. It just has to happen. It's the law of averages. The averages and the odds are on your side. Imagine if you reached out to 1,000 people, you sent 1,000 cold emails, which, by the way, it doesn't take long. It takes 5 minutes to send 1,000 emails all at once. That to the same niche, that is. And 10 people, 10 businesses say yes, and you're charging them $2,000. How much is that? That's $20,000, guys. And like, you literally blocked out 2 or 3 days of work. You created all 10 cinematic ads or book trailers, and you made $20,000. Imagine split that in half. Imagine if you only made $10,000 for a couple days of work. Guys, this is just, I explain this to my friends. I explain this to my family, and a lot of people look at me like I'm crazy because these people are working 9 to 5 jobs, and they can never in their lives, in their entire life, imagine that you can make $1,000 in an hour. It's just not possible. This is what we're conditioned with. We're conditioned to believe that we have to go into work. We have to wake up at 9 a.m. and go work for a shitty boss. That's the shitty boss, by the way. Go work for a shitty boss and make like crap money per week, the paycheck to paycheck. So whenever I tell my friends or my family, hey, you can make this amount of money, and I'm actually making this from affiliates last month, affiliates that I literally worked 3 hours for, made $4,000. It's crazy. It's crazy. I'm not saying that to brag. I'm saying that to inspire you. But whenever I say this to my family or people I know, people I meet on the street, hey, you can do this and make $4,000 in 2 hours, they look at me like I am crazy because it's a mindset. It's the mindset, the mentality of being a slave. And if you work 9 to 5, I mean, don't take offense to this, but trading your time for money is basically like being a slave. It's like the most important thing that we have on this earth is time. So why would you ever trade your time for money if you don't have to? So this right here, it doesn't have to be a reality for you. You don't have to work a 9 to 5 job, guys. Just start doing this. It's not hard at all. It's 2026. AI is here. AI is basically the Iron Man suit. You're Tony Stark. It's going to give you superpowers. It's going to help you make so much money. And a lot of very intelligent people are saying more millionaires are going to be made in the next 36 months than were ever made in the past 36 years. Think about that. Think about that, guys. AI is going to make more millionaires in the next 36 months than they did in the past 36 years. But you have to show up. You have to be there. You have to constantly monitor tools and see what's trending and see what's new and hot and fresh and different ways to monetize it. Before you go, guys, make sure to grab my free Kling 3.0 prompt checklist. These are the same prompts that you can use to land $2,000 to $6,000 clients. Link is in the description and the pinned comment. I hope you liked the video, guys, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye for now.